Hey, what are you doing?
Nothing much. I was just thinking about how much time teenagers spend on social media these days.
Honestly, that's true. Social media has become a huge part of teenage life now.
Yeah, almost every teenager uses social media every single day.
Apps like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and WhatsApp are probably the most popular ones.
Definitely. Teenagers use them for communication, entertainment, education, and many other things.
Do you think social media mostly give positive effect or negative effect?
Hmm, I don't know, but honestly, I think it depends on how people use it and social media itself. It's not completely bad.
I agree. There are many benefits if teenagers use it wisely.
Exactly. Yeah. One positive thing is communication. Social media helps people stay connected easily, right?
Yeah, even if friends or family live far away, people can still communicate anytime.
Yeah. Before social media became popular, communication was more difficult and slower.
That's true. Now people can send message, photo, voice note, or video calls instantly.
Yeah. Social media also helps students during school projects, like he can use AI or he can chat to his friends.
Definitely. My classmate at I usually discuss homework through group chat.
Yeah, same, bro. It makes teamwork faster and easier.
And another positive thing is education.
Yeah, I think social media has changed the way students learn.
Sometimes educational videos online are easier to understand than textbook.
Yeah, I agree. Some creators explain lessons in fun and simple ways, like in YouTube or in TikTok or in YouTube Short.
Especially subject like math, science, and English.
Yeah, and students can play videos if they still don't understand.
That's true. Social media gives access to learning anytime and anywhere.
Yeah, teenagers can also learn skills outside school lessons.
Like video editing, photography, coding, cooking, and public speaking.
Exactly. There are so many tutorials online now.
Another positive effect is creativity.
Right. Social media allows teenagers to express themselves creatively.
Many teenagers upload art, music, dance, or short films online.
Yeah, some people even become successful because of their content.
Yeah, social media can create opportunities for talented teenagers.
Yeah, it can even help teenagers build confidence.
How so?
When people appreciate their work online, teenagers may feel like more confident, they may feel more confident about their talents.
That makes sense. Positive support can motivate people to improve themselves.
Yeah, exactly.
But of course, social media also has many negative effects.
Definitely. One major problem is addiction.
I think many teenagers are addicted to social media without realizing it.
Yeah, I think that's true. Sometimes people only watch. Oh, no. I mean, like, sometimes people only want to check their phones for a few minutes, but they end up spending hours online.
Especially because social media keeps showing interesting content continuously.
Yeah, and that makes people lose track of time.
Because of that, teenagers may become less productive.
Yeah, some students delay homework or studying because they spend too much time online.
I experienced that before.
Same here, it's actually very common.
Social media can also affect sleep schedules.
Definitely. Like, you know what? Many teenagers in this world stay awake late at night using their phones. Like, before they sleep, he always scroll social media. Yeah,
Yes, like TikTok.
Yeah, like TikTok or YouTube Short or Reels, Instagram. Like, yeah, that's anything else.
Okay. Then they feel sleepy and tired during school.
Yeah, lack of sleep can also affect concentration and health.
Another serious issue is mental health.
Yeah, that's true. Social media can affect self-esteem a lot.
Teenagers often compare themselves to influencer or celebrity online.
Yeah, especially when they see perfect photos, expensive lifestyles, or luxury vacation. Like, if they seen the photos, they're like jealous, you know?
Oh yeah. Sometimes teenagers feel insecure because they think their lives are not good enough.
That's right. Even though social media usually only shows the best moments.
Exactly. People rarely show their failures or problems online.
Yeah, that's why comparing ourselves to social media content is unhealthy.
Everyone has struggle in real life.
Right, social media does not always show reality completely.
Another dangerous problem is like cyberbullying.
Yeah, that's right, bro. Cyberbullying happens when people insult, embarrass, or threaten others online. That's very dangerous.
Negative comment can really hurt someone emotional.
Yeah, some victims become anxious or lose confidence because of online bullying.
That's real sad.
Yeah, bro, I know that's very, very sad. Some people forget that words on the internet can affect others deeply.
Teenagers should learn to respect others in online.
Definitely, kindness is important both online and offline.
And another issue is fake information.
Yeah, fake news spreads very quickly on social media.
Sometimes people believe information immediately without checking the fact.
Yeah, and then they share it with many others without check it first, you know?
Then can create misunderstanding and panic.
Yeah, teenagers should learn how to identify reliable sources of information.
Teenagers should learn how to critical thinking is very important nowadays.
Yeah, exactly. People should not trust everything they see online. Like, you know, if someone see on social media then they saw like information like a few moments later there will be like the judgment day or the hereafter. That's very sad, bro.
Social media trends can also influence teenagers strongly.
Yeah, true. Teenagers often follow trends because they don't want to feel left out.
Sometimes trends are harmless and fun.
Yeah, but some trends can be dangerous or unhealthy, like killing himself.
That's why teenagers should think carefully before following the trends online.
Peer pressures on social media is very strong.
Yeah, people often want likes, follow, or attention.
Sometimes teenagers judge their value based on social media popularity.
Yeah, that can become unhealthy mentality.
Yeah, definitely. Self-worth should not depend on online validation.
But honestly, social media also help people relax.
Yeah, entertainment is one reason why teenagers enjoy it so much. Because you know what? You know, like ASMR
Yeah.
or satisfying video. Yeah, that can make teenagers enjoy it so much.
Funny videos and memes can reduce stress after study all day.
That's right. And positive content can motivate people too.
Like motivational videos or fitness content.
Exactly. Some creators inspire teenagers to become healthier and or more productive in like gym or eat the healthy food.
Educational creators can also inspire students to study harder.
Yeah. So maybe social media can influence teenagers in both good and bad ways.
It really depends on the content people consume.
That's right. What people watch every day can affect their mindset and behavior.
So, in your opinion, how can teenagers use social media wisely?
All right, that's a very, very good question. So for me, for my opinion, I think first, teenagers should limit screen time.
I agree. Spending too much time online is unhealthy.
Yeah, that's right. And secondly, they should follow positive and educational accounts.
And avoid toxic or harmful content.
Exactly. Teenagers should also protect their privacy online.
Sharing too much personal information can be dangerous.
Yeah, another important thing is balancing online life and real life.
Teenagers should still spend time with family and friends in real life.
Yeah, of course, like sports, hobbies, and outdoor activities are important too.
Definitely, life is not only about screen and social media.
Yeah, parents and teachers also have important roles.
Yeah, they should guide teenagers about responsible internet use.
Yeah, not just banning social media, but teaching how to use it wisely.
I agree. Teenagers need guidance and support.
Yeah, technology will continue developing in the future anyway.
So, learning digital responsibility is very important.
Exactly. Social media is a powerful tool,
If people use it correctly, it can bring many benefits.
but if people use it carelessly, it can create many problems.
So, balance and self-control are the key.
Definitely.
Honestly, this topic is very interesting because social media affect almost everyone today.
Yeah, especially teenagers, social media already become part of modern teenage life.
Hopefully, teenagers can become smarter and wiser and when using social media.
Yeah, that's true. Because social media should help people, not control people.
I completely agree with that.
Alright, thanks for the conversation, Mikhail.
Yeah, you're welcome. I enjoyed discuss this topic with you.
Same here. Hopefully, this discussion can help people understand the impact of social media on teenagers better, and like for make the teenagers know what is the good ways, what is the better ways, and the bad ways. Alright, thank you, Mikhail. That's a very interesting conversation.
Yes,
Thank
you're
you very
welcome.
much.